The satellite office is not by virtue of them having to come to Surigao, just like customs, whatever GSIS, what they are not mandated to put up their offices here, because the satellite office that was established here was by virtue of an earnest request by the local government unit sometime in 2015. I have here 2 resolutions that were passed, and it was even Councilor Consigo who was the sponsor of that. I have here the documents. Meaning to say, it is different for them to request them to come as against us inviting them to come. The point here is we invited them to come. And we said in the resolution, and when it's after, there was a memorandum of agreement, that it is our obligation to provide them with a office space. I cannot give you the details because there is a non-disclosure agreement in that MOA. But the point here is that it was the local government unit then, in 2015, who invited, I would like to correct that, to emphasize the word, who invited and earnestly requested them to come and put up their satellite office here. I am old enough to be embarrassed because when they paid a courtesy call to us, I refer that matter to Attorney Silvosa. I refer that matter to Attorney Galido, and even to the Honorable Alonso. What is the position here of the local government unit? And they all said, okay na, they can continue with their occupation here. That was May 22. We have all the records that they came. Did it pwede ang acting mayor maka-entertain ng parehalo ng mga bisita and make a commitment? As I've said, I am old enough to be embarrassed, especially that the person I was dealing was a lawyer, a fellow lawyer at that. And then comes your letter, Attorney Marinas, that you wanted him out of the land transport terminal. So again, I have been deeply embarrassed by the way you have treated me, considering that in the face of a fellow lawyer having been told that everything is okay, but there is not. I leave it as it is at this point. I do not want anymore to discuss the issue, except that I was deeply embarrassed. And I would say that in the heart of this session hall, I will stop at nothing to keep my word of honor. And I will not stop at nothing to fight truth. I know how to handle the truth. If you people do not know how to handle the truth, that's your problem. But to me, as I've said, I have been deeply embarrassed because I was acting as acting city mayor, and then I deserve respect with that. Thank you very much.